Hi, my name is Andre.mik, and this is the second video of my free vocal course, How to Sing Basic Level. In this video we will look for your natural singing voice, learn the basic principles of sound production, talk about 3 most common beginner mistakes, and sing 3 vocal exercises together. Let's go! As I said in the first video of this course, learning how to sing is very similar to how a child learns to speak. Everything starts with simple sounds. Only later, a child moves to words, sentences, and finally learns how to be expressive. Today we will go through the sounds level and start finding your singing voice. First, we need to find the notes that already feel comfortable for you and already sound good. It can be 5 notes or more, just 1 note, or maybe not at all. And that's normal too. To find your comfortable notes, sing humming sounds together with me on the notes that I'm about to play. Please write down or remember the notes that feel easy and comfortable. Most likely you will find your notes inside this exercise. These notes are your foundation and we will build your voice from them. We will sing 3 types of exercises to improve pitch accuracy and learn how to produce sounds correctly. Right now we are not looking for beauty, not power, not volume, not opera voice. Let's say your comfortable notes are E, F and F sharp. I will continue using these notes as an example, but in your case the notes may be different. Common mistake number 1. The sound stays stuck and doesn't move forward. Your sound should not be like a fairy horn. It should be alive and moving forward. For example, not It's vibrating and it's alive. Exercise 1. We start by singing 1 long note without changing its pitch while singing. That means do not go lower, do not go higher, keep the note steady. We will sing on the sound with a closed mouth. At the moment we will sing your comfortable notes and also a half tone lower and higher for training. Common mistake number 2. Do not start the sound from below and slide into the note. When you approach the note from below, you often try to push your body weight into the note. This makes singing heavy and difficult. Leave your body weight where it is. Sing without pushing and take the note directly at its pitch. For example, it should be. To do like this, you need to listen first. Listen to the note, hear it inside yourself. Then you can sing this note correctly. Exercise 2. Now we will sing 2 notes, also using humming. Common mistake number 3. Do not start singing too loud right away. Imagine this. Before singing, your volume is 0. In the first millisecond when you start to sing, it becomes 1 and then it slowly grows to the needed volume. The volume should not appear instantly. It should grow naturally. I can immediately hear that it's not comfortable here. But if I think that from 0 to needed volume, this is much better. Please don't forget about it. Exercise 3. Now we add another exercise to move around the main note. This time we will use a lip trill. This sound helps release vocal tension and prevents you from stopping your breath. Because if your breath stops, your lips stop vibrating and the sound disappears. You will immediately hear that you are wrong. That's great! I think you just made your first real step toward finding your voice and learning how to produce sounds correctly. In the next lesson, we will move forward within this foundation and start connecting sounds into simple vocal patterns. If you want to get a personal feedback and faster progress, you can book a private lesson with me. All the details are in the description. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. I'm Andre.mik. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!